Okay, brothers, welcome again in a new video. In this video, I will discuss how to create a new Windows script PowerShell. Windows PowerShell script is not available in Windows, so I will create like exactly like I created this one Python new Python file inside the new Python file. This is what I created for the inside in the previous video, right? But in this video I'll also create another one here, a new Windows PowerShell script. How to create this one, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, just open the registry. Let's explain first how to create a new PowerShell script like this. Okay, the normal way is always like you open Notepad. You will open Notepad, no problem, and let's do it. Save as the same to be as a text. I'll create it hello. Okay, let's save it on this as a text file. This is a normal way you always follow when you wanna create a new PowerShell script. You will open Notepad like this, then you will put your commands like write out hello world, and also this is another things, no problem. It's better when you open this one, it's better to double click to open it in a Notepad, so you can copy this one as a Notepad and paste for this a new one we already created for hello. Okay, now this is only a text. If you wanna create a PowerShell script, you will open the Notepad like this, including the command you wish, then save as. You will save the name, but you will choose all files hello. This hello you will put dot and ps PowerShell 1 ps1. This is how to create one, then save on the desktop. So hello as a PowerShell script will be saved. And see what I explained is takes time, okay, but I'll teach you how to create a new PowerShell script on your desktop inside this menu to facilitate your work, just to paste the code directly. Okay, so let's do it by inside registry. Open registry. Okay, regedit or search for inside search regedit. Then you will open the first hive. The first hive always HK classes root. Just open it. Just go to the .ps1. .ps1. This is the extension for the PowerShell script. Okay, this about inside this one, just create a new key and name it shell new. Inside this shell new, at the right side, create a new string value here. Just name it null file, null file, file. That's all. See what will happen after these changes happen inside registry. Just click in the desktop, new, see, new Windows PowerShell script. If you press it, so it will be created. This PowerShell script will be created, and any commands in your mind or inside text, so you will copy, okay, and you will paste, inside. Double click on the new Windows PowerShell script we created, then save, double click. If you wanna execute the command already pasted here, just right click, run with PowerShell. Okay, so it will be run and it will print hello world. Press enter to continue, exactly like CMD script. So in this video, now you know how to create this one to facilitate your work, facilitating scripting, coding, programming, all of these things you will facilitate your work and make it easier than before. Okay, so you will avoid wasting your time about file management like that. So this is what I wanna explain for you. Now you know. Now I'll make something very easy for you. Just I'll export what I created. I'll export from registry to be one key. So I will show you what is the benefits of exporting this key, the key we created. Okay, let's export. I'll name it on the desktop as a registry. New Windows PowerShell script. Okay, just to know, this registry script will create a new Windows PowerShell script. Let's save it in the desktop as a registry file. Okay, let's take, now we don't have, let's remove all of those things. Okay, now we don't have any, we have only the code inside text like this, and this is the registry. For example, try to imagine we don't have this property for new PowerShell Windows PowerShell script. Try to imagine we don't have this, because I will delete what I create. I will delete it, okay, from registry. So now the registry becomes again like before. There is no PowerShell script here inside this one. So by using this script I will upload. I will upload to my Google Drive, and I will share the download link with you under this video, so you will be able to download. When you download this Windows script, register script in your computer, so you will be able to apply it to allow a new PowerShell script. So let's see how can I use this register script to apply the changes in your system. Just double click in the registry, you just click yes, then if this message come, I will make yes. So now the new change is already added to your system successfully. So just press OK. Go to again to new list. You will find new Windows PowerShell script already applied to your system easily. So now this is a new PowerShell script. Just very easy to copy all of these commands written inside this PowerShell script. This is a small example. Okay, right click or double click, like I told you, double click will open by Notepad. Okay, then I'll save it. Now right click, choose execute or run with PowerShell. It will be executed directly. You will see hello world and enter, press enter 2. This is exactly what I wanna explain for you. What I created is to facilitate your work, to avoid wasting time in file management and so on. Okay, now we reach to the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.